Any way to change color bar, Cbar, in Seaborn to a legend, for a binary heatmap? I'm using the heatmap in Seaborn, sns.heatmap, to show a matrix of binary values true/false. It works just fine, but the color bar as expected is showing a range of values from 0 to 1, when in reality there are only 2 colors. Is there any way to change this to a legend showing the true/false colors? I couldn't find anything in the documentation. This URL. Example.
Here is a solution using some random data, working on this before you included data in your post. The solution was adapted to work for your problem from this link. Output. Applying on your problem. Output.
Heatmap